Let's take a look at how to add an audio file into your Blendspace lesson. Now, audio is a great way to make a personal connection with your students. For them to hear your voice, their own teacher's voice in this e-learning lesson is very, very good for them. So I think that it's important, but I will tell you it doesn't work very well in Blendspace. Let me demonstrate. Okay, so first we need to make our audio recording. I'm going to come here to a tool called Online Voice Recorder, and it's a really simple, easy tool to be able to get that audio recording created. So I'm going to come here, and I've got a nice red record button. The first time you press it, it will ask for permission to access your microphone, so you'll need to say yes. You might also check the box to remember that permission so that it doesn't ask you every time. So as soon as I click record, it's going to start recording my voice, and I'm just recording a very short little sample thing here. When I'm done, I'm going to click stop. Okay, now I can record that again if I don't like it. I can play it back to hear it. When I'm ready though, I'm going to come over here and click save. Now it's just processing that and saving it to their temporary storage online somewhere. To save it to my computer, which is what I'm going to need to do, I have to click save again. So you're doing 2 save button clicks. This time it's giving me the option to save this to my computer. I'm just going to call this sample recording, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. So click save. Okay, so I just did that. Now I'm going to come back here to my lesson, and we're going to pull that file in. So right here in Blendspace, I can pull up media from my computer. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click on Choose File. I'm going to go to my desktop, and right here is that sample recording. It's going to be an MP3 file that you're looking for. So I'm going to click that and click Open. Okay, there it is, all the way at the bottom. Okay, so now that it's up there and one of my options, I can grab it and drag it into my Blendspace. Now here's what happens though when we go to try this out. If I click play, let me skip ahead to that one. When I get to this one, it tells me that it does not recognize that file. If I click that, I can get it downloaded. I just downloaded the wrong one, but same thing, it's an MP3 file. I can get that downloaded to my device, and then I could open it and play it from my device with whatever tool my device has for playing audio files. Okay, I just think that that's kind of clumsy, but that's the best way we can make that work in Blendspace if you want to include an audio file. Some other options might be you could put it in Google Drive and open up the sharing so that anyone who has the link can view it, and then you could add it in as a link from a website, but I've tried that and it works exactly the same way. It's still going to say that it doesn't recognize the file. It's going to make you download it to your device and play it that way. So that's the best we can do with audio files in Blendspace. If you plan to use a lot of audio files, I would probably choose a different platform for creating my e-learning lesson.